Okay, a very good evening to Miss Maria Lina, and today we have the
Good
the
evening.
the manager or
Mm-hmm.
the leader of the Shalom Heaven Enterprise. Well,
Mm-hmm.
today thank you for letting us to interview you, Miss. Well, today
Thank
I would like
you.
to ask a few questions to you to
Mm-hmm.
finalize my final project, and thank you for
Okay.
accept this offer as well. Well,
It's my pleasure.
the first question is, will you please tell us about yourself and your
Mm-hmm.
education?
Mm-hmm. Okay. First of all, hello, hi. Thank you for this opportunity. My name is Maria and I'm staying in Cal. I'm studying until SPM. So after SPM, due to my family problem, I can't continue my studies. So I continue work, hotel industry. So, anything else about that?
Okay, and next question is your previous and your current work experience. Well, Miss F
Mm-hmm.
told us that Miss F good basis in a hotel management. Well,
Mm-hmm.
can you explain us how it's helped Miss to employ your current business? How it helped
Okay.
your current business as well?
Actually, in hotel department, I working at waitress department. Also, I'm learning at banquet hall. We will decorate the hall, the table. So I'm learning decoration field,
Oh,
like doing bouquet, flowers, all that I'm learning there.
okay.
So by there only I get some chance to do the bouquet business for the idea. How I get the idea, how I influence by my work to the business.
Oh, okay, okay. So, Miss, I would like to ask another question. That are you facing
Sure.
any problem when business having problem like your business is a small medium business, right? So, I would like
Mm-hmm.
to ask if you facing any problem during you do a business like when you start up the business. What kind
Yeah,
of problem?
problem maybe financially I facing some problems, but
Okay.
I'm still managed to get the money to do my business. So, and then I need to find the product where I have to buy in the cheapest, because I do business. I cannot buy in the bigger portion. I have to find, sometime I buy in online. Sometime I have to search too many shops for my products. That
Oh,
kind of. After I start the business, only I facing the customer problems.
okay.
Few, yeah.
Can you explain like how like the customer problem like one sample?
Okay, can actually they will customer is always right, okay. So sometimes they will order with me the bouquet, they will discuss first of all about the price. I
Okay.
will give one reasonable price. They always will ask for the discount, all that. After I
Uh,
explain about my product price, all that. First of all, price. After that, like a certification, the
mm,
photos, videos, everything must be in the perfect side. If anything, one small mistake also we have to explain so many things. If rain or
okay.
hot weather, whatever it is, I still have to go to make them happy.
Oh, okay. Noted.
Ah,
Understand. Okay. Very interesting. So I would like to
yeah,
ask
thank
another
you.
question as well, Miss Maria. And
Mm-hmm.
it is tell us about your job description. For example, like you are the manager for the Shalom Heaven Enterprise, right? So how
Okay.
your job description, for example, what are you doing during the work time?
Okay. For me, I'm doing the surprise delivery. We will surprise for the even any event like birthday, wedding anniversary, and graduation. So I will do the bouquet as a customer request, cake, and whatever gift. and the pinata chocolate. All customer can customize as their request. We can do, and
Okay.
then I will discuss the price. So bouquet type I can do money bouquet, chocolate bouquets, flower bouquet, even fresh flower or soap flower, whatever is it, the customer request only. By the customer request, we will do the bouquets.
Okay, okay. Thank you, Miss Maria. And also, I would like to ask that
Welcome.
what are the main activity for small medium enterprise? For example, in Miss Maria small medium enterprise, we identified that
Okay.
Miss Maria was selling like one is cosmetic, another one is bouquet, right? So
Yes, yes.
okay, so which are the main sector that customer identify? Is it bouquet or cosmetic things?
Main thing actually I start from the cosmetic.
Okay.
But day by day, customer recognized by the surprise delivery is more famous because of the photos,
Hmm.
videos.
Okay. Noted.
We have a few type of cartoon mascot.
Hmm.
So we will entertain the kids. The mascot will do the dance, all this to impress the kids all.
Hmm.
So in that way, actually the start with makeup product, but people recognize me for the surprise delivery.
Okay. Well. Okay. We almost going to end all the section, Miss Maria. So I would
Oh,
like to
thank
go
you.
with
That's good.
another question as well. Well,
Mm-hmm.
what will be the motivation that you can say for the people who going to start a
Mm-hmm.
new business?
My motivation is don't ever give up in any way. You will face so much of problem, maybe by the people side, financially, complaints, so many
Okay.
things because it's a small business. Anytime you can quit it, but don't do. Never ever give up. It's a starting point. Even though you will face so much struggles
Hmm.
to we see the success part.
Okay.
Yeah, the journey will be bit harder, but the way is a bit harder, but you will see the success if you never ever give up only.
Yeah, true.
Have to
True.
stay strong. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. And another one, how
Mm-hmm.
does a registered company may affect the entrepreneur to start business? This question, like I will explain another way,
Mm,
which is we can
please.
see that there is a lot of competitor for your business,
Okay.
right? For example, you are started
Mm-hmm.
a new business and then now you have a platform, like you have a basic on one field, and then you will have
Okay.
a competitor as well, like they
Mm-hmm.
will challenge your business as well. They will try to look about upon your business and try to imitate your business as well. So how
Okay.
you are capable to stay in that field, like any skill that
Actually,
you are using, like anything, what is
yeah.
special? Yeah.
Only thing always whenever I get any surprises, I almost done ready about 100 surprises. But
Okay.
whenever customer order or call for the surprise, I always see as my first order.
Oh, well, okay.
I always attend every order with that conscious first order.
Hmm.
My my main focus is only make my customer happy.
Hmm.
I will
Well.
give a I will learn different of bouquets, new type. We will put the favorite song of customer. We will
Hmm.
dance. The way we communicate with the customer, all the
Hmm.
polite way, show some love to them. And then after them, we will look for the feedbacks. I still keep the customer in the contact.
Hmm. That's
Uh,
good. That's good.
I'm still learning. I never stop learning. That's the only reason I still can keep running my company even though so many competition.
Very good
Yeah.
spirit, Miss Maria, actually. And
Thank you.
also,
Thank you.
and also, do you feel that most critical concept or skill or attitude to a business woman like you need a startup company? What I mean here, is it the personal attitude or the skills or the
Okay.
critical concept that, for example, that our mindset toward our business,
Okay.
it is important for a small business as well?
Of course, our mind is very important. Our thought and our mind is very important. Our
Even
good
attitude,
vibes will.
sorry, Miss Maria, even attitude, is it toward our customer?
Of
Okay.
course, attitude is very important. Must polite, must be humble, must be kind. It's very important to impress some people. First impression is very important to us.
Okay.
That the things we can start, even though one friendship, relationship, whatever it is, first impression, the attitude is very important.
That's
Yeah.
true. And also, I asked another question. During the pandemic, okay, the COVID
Okay.
pandemic, how you handle your small business enterprise, Miss Maria?
Okay. During the pandemic, actually, my business was a bit dull, but I never give up. I still do the business by the postage. I send.
Oh, okay.
I took some order. I will send my bouquets, whatever not the cake, all that, only bouquet, the gift, all I send by post. Still, I try to entertain my customer without failure.
And another one, do you use any social media platform or e-commerce platform for the business, Miss Maria?
Yes, of course. Okay. Yeah, I use Instagram. We have a page in Instagram,
okay, that's
Facebook,
good.
and we also want to start Shopee and Lazada new account.
Oh, that's great. That's
for the my makeup product.
Okay, that's good. That's good, Maria.
Yeah.
And another one, Miss Maria, I would like to ask that, do you feel like uncomfortable, like when you see this small medium enterprise as like a small, just people call as a small medium enterprise, and it's not going to another level? Do you feel like it is something that make you unencouraged?
No, of course no, because it's my starting point. Everyone, if you see any millionaire, any rich people, they are start from small. Even though, you know, the KFC owner also, I got read his history. He start in old age, so late, but now you see how much rich. Everyone have a starting point where from small only we can go to the up. No one jumps to the up. Yeah.
And also, Miss Maria, when you start a small medium enterprise, who encourage you, Miss Maria, to do this?
Okay, the encouragement, maybe my sister, my cousin sister all encourage me to do this.
So because basically family member, is it?
Yeah, my family is big support for me.
Okay. Upon from family members, does it any other businessman or businesswoman that you have seen before help you?
Businessman, businesswoman, no one help, but as I took some business women as a role model.
Oh, that's great.
I learned. Okay. Yeah, in social media we see is we can learn what a positive thing we can took, and we also can practice in our daily life. So like that only I'm the what we call, I'm learning for myself.
That's good. That's good, Miss Maria. I can see how hard work that you have put in this small medium enterprise, and also your commitment, your consistency. And throughout this interview section, I can see all your imagination and how you're going to bring this small medium business to another level. And as a last question that I would like to end up in a positive way, do you think that a student should start any small medium enterprise?
Yes, as a part-time, I will encourage them still can learning some income to bring down the parents' burden for the own pocket money. They still, I will encourage if student want to start the own business, the small medium, I will encourage Yes, we can. It's
Mm,
just as a pocket money.
yep.
You can stand in your own leg. No need to no need accept parents.
Yep, yep, I understand.
Mm.
Yep. Okay. Thank you so
Yeah.
much, Miss Maria, for your time and your effort that you are taking for our interview section. And I will really love to express my gratitude here. And
Thank you.
thank you so much for your time again. And you want to say
Mm-hmm.
anything to the viewer or the MSc students afterward, they will see this interview section. Do you want to say anything?
Yeah. Actually, thank you, Joel, for the give me the chance of this interview. For the MSU student, I only will say, don't ever, never give up. Just continue. Just even though you are failure, whatever it is, don't scared to try. Give your try. Give your best. It's not, even though not now, but one day you will see the success. I know.
Yeah.
Stay strong, study hard, make your parents all proud. Thank you so much
Thank you
for the
so much,
chance.
Miss Maria. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And yeah, that's all.
Thank you. You are so sweet. The way you interview. Thank you. Thank you so much. Nice
Thank
to
you.
meet you.
Thank you so much, Miss
Thank
Maria.
you.
Okay.
Okay.
Have a
Bye.
good day. Bye bye.
Yeah, you too. Bye. Bye.